Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Want to make your videos look more subtle or create a transparent effect in Canva? Canva Mobile allows you to adjust video transparency easily by changing the transparency level with a simple slider. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to adjust video transparency in Canva Mobile on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's get started. First, open Canva on your device. You can edit an existing video project or create a new video project. For this example, I'll create a new video, tap video, choose YouTube video. Next, select a template to continue. Once the video editor opens, tap the video clip you want to edit on the timeline. Swipe through the editing tools below the timeline until you find transparency. Then tap transparency. The transparency adjustment slider will appear. Drag the slider left or right to change the transparency level of your video. You can adjust it until you get the look you want. Once you are satisfied with the result, tap the checkmark icon. The transparency setting will be saved. To save your video, tap the upload icon. You can choose share or download. For this example, I'll select download. The download screen will appear. You can choose a file type and quality setting or leave the default settings as they are. Then tap download. Canva will begin downloading your edited video. And that's how to adjust video transparency in Canva Mobile on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Canva tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.